replace manual and paper processes, automating them, and providing real-time visibility into what's happening on the factory floor. One of those key processes is reviewing production at the end of the day to make sure the data is accurate. So Mingo has built a tool to allow managers, supervisors, and operators to be able to do that on their own in their software. For example, let's say I'm done for the day with this particular job, and I'm going to hit change. And I'm going to change to no work, which maybe I'm not scheduled for the rest of the day, or I'm just done. It's the end of first shift and I'm completed. So when I do that, it changes over to no work, and then I'm prompted with an end of run report screen where I can go through and validate all of my production run. So any of the data that's calculated and collected automatically will likely be correct, but it does give you an opportunity to make minor adjustments. So for example, if I didn't make 67 good parts, I actually made 65, and 2 of those were scrap, I can do that here and put this information in. I can also review my downtimes. So I had 2 types of downtimes. I had changeovers, and I had a total of 2 minutes and 30 seconds of idle time. I can make changes to these. I can do them in bulk. So this could be a short stop where the system's just detecting that the machine stopped, and maybe I want to go through and modify those. I can also put in scrap quantities. So if I want to do a minor adjustment for a specific reason code, so like maybe the blemish, maybe I dropped them, right? Put in a comment. I dropped the part, right? So there's one, and then maybe the other one is something else, out of spec. Maybe the tool broke, that caused that problem, which could be a reason code as well. Okay, and then total quantity adjustment. This could just be, hey, it was scrap, it was a miscount, various things like that. And then any kind of custom fields or other data that we would want to collect could be in here as well. And then we can put in any production details as well. So like comments. So if this production run went relatively well and there was a good reason for that, or if there were a lot of problems, maybe we were struggling with the machine today, we can put those comments in. What's really great about this tool is now you know the data is correct, and you can use that to be pushed automatically into your ERP system, or your reporting has been reviewed and everything is correct for the next morning. And then you hit complete here and it takes you to the next production run. One of the other features about this that's really convenient is it doesn't have to be the person running the machine that fills it out. You can send an alert to a supervisor or a manager, and they can go back in at another time, look at all of the production runs where they need to review. So for example, on that P10 press, maybe I'm the supervisor for that area, and I can say, show me all the pending end of run reports for that particular machine. I can see all of those here. So it makes it very easy to put a queue together so that those can be reviewed. You can also report on how many open end of run reports there are to hold people accountable to completing that and making sure that your data is accurate.